VSO Pakistan has gotten into the programming was to maximize the utilization of the youth in our health, livelihoods and education program, and also like our social cohesion program, which is like one of the biggest program in Pakistan. We run that program with the Rescue 1122, where like the bulk number of youth, different age group youth has been engaged, involved. They do a lot of like rescue work with the Rescue 1122.
Punjab Emergency Service is the leading emergency service of Pakistan, where it has rescued over 8.5 million victims of accident, emergencies and disasters. We are now working towards building safer communities by mobilizing the power of humanity and the power of volunteers to work in the communities and to work for the prevention of emergencies. So we're training volunteers to go and provide first aid. They also see what kind of emergencies are taking place, what kind of problems are there in the community, so that they could work for safety promotion and for the prevention of emergencies.
खुदा मुझे इस अहद पर कायम रहने की तौफीक अता फरमाए.
The most significant one which we are proud of, core volunteer, they call it CERT, Community Emergency Response Teams. And then so far I think we supported the overall capacity building and skill enhancement of community volunteers. Till now more than 5,000 CERT teams have been established.
We are like very proud to say so far we have achieved the 1 million volunteer, reaching into the different remote districts and making sure the youth is engaged, involved, and they do a lot of rescue work with the Rescue 1122. VSO has been putting a lot of investment, not only for the training but also for the equipment, because we believe if the people they are trained, they need to be capacitated with the equipments or the resources they are looking. So we have put all those resources not only for the individual level but also at the union council and district level. The initial target to reach was 11 minutes on a call when there is a call made by the people for the help, and now it has been dropped from 11 minutes to 4 minutes. So you can see a massive difference, and that difference has been brought by the volunteers or the youths. Those are engaged because we are talking about 36 districts in Punjab. So it's the entire Punjab has been covered by this group of people.
It has a large impact. The impact, if I can tell you, that these teams are established, more than 5,000. So each team, it has 12 members and they are basically trained. Now they are at least engaged in positive activities. Maximum they are youth, as we have youth-centric programming. So they are somehow now away from those harmful activities, and they are promoting basically peace and social cohesion in those communities. And secondly, I think they are also, apart from emergency response activities, they are engaged in community services and even in some of the environment related activities as well.
Alhamdulillah, we have established community emergency response teams in all union councils of Punjab. Our rescue scouts, who are member of the CERTs, are actually working in collaboration with voluntary services overseas Pakistan, and thanks to the VSO Pakistan, they are always very much welcoming towards such activities in which the establishment of CERTs and safety promotion activities are involved.
These community volunteers, they are then basically from that same vicinity, they are in that union council, so that is a cascading model. They further train others as well. Building on that, our plan is that to replicate that and to scale up that into KP and Balochistan as well.
The way we organize the volunteer program, the way the training program was developed for the volunteers, and the way we are mobilizing volunteers for safety promotion and prevention of emergencies, I think this could not have been possible without the help and the coordination with the VSO.
और इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं कि एमरजेंसी सर्विस ने आला मेयार की वजह से अवाम का एतमाद हासिल किया है. आखिर में VSO पाकिस्तान और UK एड का शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने इस नेशनल रेस्क्यू चैलेंज और इंटरनेशनल वॉलंटियर डे को मुनक़िद करने में अपना कलीदी किरदार अदा किया और वॉलंटियर्स की हौसला अफजाई के लिए डिज़ास्टर रिस्पॉन्स किट्स फराहम की।